Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, May 5th, and this is my analysis for the Euro Yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord group, which is linked over here in the corner at the end of the video, and make sure to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on the home screen to learn more. So anyways, the euro yen has actually been pushing down pretty hard. This is a little bit of a tough one because the daily time frame is definitely making me think bullish. I still think that the most likely scenario is that it should go up and make a wave C of wave B, which is still a long ways up. But then you go down to the shorter time phase, and we definitely do have a break to the downside, and we're definitely making lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high. So as long as it continues to make lower lows, lower highs, then if you are a short time frame trader, you definitely would want to be looking for shorts right now. And while you're looking for shorts, if it just keeps on going and going and going and going, that's great news. Now, if it does continue to make lower lows, lower highs, but instead goes down and eventually gives you a nice break and starts it back to the upside, then you definitely going to want to get back on the long side because the higher time frames, daily time frame and up, definitely do make me think that overall the higher time frame trend will continue. So this would be like higher low, higher low, higher low. So I think there is a good chance this move down could make a higher low compared to this low. So definitely keep an eye out for a little break to the upside on, the 1 hour time frame, maybe 30-minute, 15-minute. If that happens, then you definitely want to start looking for longs again. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.